All right, guys, I have something in the works that I've been planning for a little bit, and it kind of just came to me the other day that I decided I'm going to do it. So, years back, probably 7 or 8 years ago now, Josh and I built my XJ, and it's a good build. I mean, for what it is and for the wheeling around here, it's great. I mean, it's pretty much been a point and shoot vehicle. It's done great. Um, but I have been tossing around the idea for a while of either just building a full-out tube chassis buggy or rethinking the XJ. And I was on the fence there for a little bit about selling the XJ, and I just couldn't bring myself to do it. I put way too much work into it. So XJ 2.0, that's the next big build. That's what's coming down the pipeline for me. I have some stuff I have to finish first, and I'd like to source a few more parts before we kick it off. But I can walk you through basically what we intend on doing. Back here, I'm gonna figure out axles, more than likely going to tons of some flavor. We're gonna LS swap it just because I want an XJ with an LS in it because it's awesome. And I actually sourced one of those last night in a text conversation with a friend. So we're gonna do an LS7 out of a Corvette, a 7R4, and I'll probably source an Atlas. I haven't found one of those yet. We're gonna completely redo the cage, redo the EXO. I wanna boat side it. That's just something I plan on doing. I have this idea of making a bed. A lot of people have done it, and I've seen it done quite a bit. I want to essentially hack up the rear hatch, suck that in behind the rear seats that are non-existent at the moment, and create a little hybrid type deal. And then we're gonna 4-link front and rear, a bunch more stuff to follow. That's the basic build. Let me take you guys over here and I'll show you just a peek of what's going on here. That is the XJ in all its glory right now. Currently, it's rocking the stock 4.0, stock transmission, stock transfer case. It's got lockers, front ARB lockers, front and rear, 488 gears, sitting on 35s. It's the Super 30 in the front, so it's chromy shafts, 1-ton steering. The rear is an 8.8, and honestly, this has taken me around here anywhere I want to go, and I just kind of stay out of the big boy stuff, you know. It has a completely hybrid cage, full inner cage, partial exo cage. It's a pretty sweet little rig, honestly, for what it is. I mean, snow wheeling's great. You have heated seats, you've got heat inside. Wheeling in the summertime's fun, but I want a purpose-built buggy, and that's what we're gonna build it out of. So stay tuned, it's coming. As soon as I get a few more parts sourced and squared away, and I knock out some other stuff that I've got on my list of things to do, this is what you guys will be seeing. Also, I apologize, we haven't had a lot of content recently. I've had a lot of customers bringing some stuff in, and I can't film all of that. Some customers either don't want their stuff on the website, or sorry, online, or they don't want their stuff filmed, or they don't want to be filmed, and it is what it is, no big deal. So, hey guys, I'm looking forward to starting this. Stay tuned.